Hey guys, I'm so stoked that you decided to be counselors here this summer. I know some crazy stuff went down last year, but that's all behind us. Fresh start, fresh faces. And does anybody know who that guy is? Sir? 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 Oh my god! Oh god! Billy, your face! Why are you just standing? Oh Jesus, Diane! Christopher, for God's sakes, run! Stop killing everyone. Just stop it. Hi. Shit.
Man, that got out of hand quickly. Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for this final girl look. This is a fun and easy to do look that's a nod to the classic horror formulas we've all grown to love. So let's get right into it. I started with a normally made up face, the blonde wig, and I got my shirt nice and ripped. There is obligatory cleavage because that's the horror world we live in, so I'm rolling with it. The only color wheel I used was the Ben Nye FX Bruise and Abrasions wheel, starting with the maroonish color. I'm using a combo of a textured sponge and makeup brushes and my finger to apply the color. And you want to focus on making the eye look swollen, and I looked up black eye pics for reference, and you should do the same thing. Bruises progress differently, and the colors are really up to you. If you want the bruise to appear fresher and more recent, you want to stick in the reds and darker purples. But if the wound is like a few hours old or older than that, there will be more like greens and yellows taking over. So keep that in mind and look up bruise time frame pictures if you need to see examples. I wanted to look like I really had an underdog fight, so I'm just packing in the bruises. Moving on to the darker purple color in the bruise wheel to blend that in. Just add color, blend, add some inconsistent blotchy spots, and play around with it till you're satisfied. Choky marks. Now I'm just using a blending brush to drag some of the color around a little and, well, blend. Now usually I'd use like a glycerin or clear gloss product for adding some shine to the bruises, but I had neither at the moment, so I improvised with Petroleum Jelly. The shine helps things look a little more swollen and fresh. And then blood. I just splattered this in a way I thought blood might fly at me if I was stabbing a psycho killer, as one does. And of course, gotta cover that knife with the blood of your fallen enemy. And there we have it. Even though I'm pretty sure I'd die first in a horror movie, this look will be a tribute to the final girl I could have been. I hope you enjoyed this and would love if you'd leave a like, let me know what you think. You can also subscribe for more videos all Halloween month long. Thanks again, and remember, there's always a place under my bed just for you.